Welcome back to another tech tip by Appliance Video. Today we will look at how long can dairy products last in the refrigerator or freezer before going bad.
Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time.
We've all experienced going to the fridge only to find what we were looking for ended up spoiling. Let's try to curb this by going over just how long your dairy products should last in the fridge before chucking them in the bin. Improperly stored dairy can be very dangerous, resulting in salmonella or E. coli. This is why it's very important to ensure that your refrigerator is properly cooling. It should be between 37 degrees to 40 degrees Fahrenheit, or 0 to 4 degrees Celsius. While butter seems like it could be stored for a very long time, butter should only be stored for up to 1 month. Milk and cream on average can be stored for 7 to 10 days. Always check the expiration date before you put it in the fridge, and a smell test is never a bad idea. Cream cheese is another product that you'll want to keep an eye on the expiration date. Typically, it will last 1 to 2 weeks. Cottage cheese, on the other hand, will last even less time in the fridge, at around 3 to 5 days. And at no surprise, the dairy products that will last the longest in your fridge are hard cheeses: Swiss, Cheddar, and Parmesan. Typically, you can safely munch on these for up to 45 to 60 days. What if you lost your mind and ended up buying a bulk amount of butter? There's no way that you could go through all of that in a month. In this case, it's time to freeze it. First, you'll want to ensure your freezer is hitting temperatures of -5 degrees Fahrenheit and 5 degrees Fahrenheit. Also check out our video, Why Ice Crystals, Frost or Moisture Form on Your Food in Your Freezer, for tips on how to hit a proper freezer temperature. While butter will last about 1 month in a refrigerator, you are looking at about 6 to 9 months in the freezer. Though this does not mean that you should go out bulk buying butter to binge on Craig. It's not a good look. Cream cheese, Swiss, Cheddar and Parmesan cheese can freeze for around 4 to 6 months if stored properly. Ice cream will maintain its quality for 2 to 4 months after opening, though I highly doubt that it will actually last that long to find out. While some dairy products keep well in the freezer, milk, cream and cottage cheese are not recommended to be frozen at all. To ensure your frozen items maintain quality, make sure they are wrapped tightly and covered. Close lids tightly and do not return unused portions to the original container. If this video helped you, like the video and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next one.